These right here is crazy, bro. It's no rubbing at all. It's 275, 40, 20s in the front, and 305, 35, 20 in the rear. What is up, you guys? COT Hemi coming back with another video, bro. It is hot outside. Like, this is one of the nicer days we've had out in Charlotte since God knows how long, but it's a big day for me. For everybody that knows me that I had 22-inch rims on my car. Y'all see what I got back there. Fresh meat. And y'all know that has been following the YouTube channel already, following my Instagram, know that I purchased new wheels. So yes, I'm dropping down to 20s. Yes, I got 305s going on the rear. Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. I could go 315s, but I think I'll be fine with the 305s. But today literally is one of the big days, bro. Like, I've been riding 22-inch rims. I've been riding 22-inch wheels and rims for almost 3.5 years, bro. Like, I felt like the performance and all that other stuff was taken away just a slight little bit. I couldn't have fun like I wanted to. It's hard to find tires, but that's enough. That's another video for another day. But today, literally, I'm going right now to take them to the shop to get the wheels put on. I have the wheels in the car behind me. Yes, sir. I got the tires in this car. We're gonna drop them off, get everything mounted and all that other, well, not mounted, but put everything together and bring them back home so I can make the video for y'all. So hopefully they look good, bro. Hopefully it looks good. I hope and pray it looks good. I like the tire that I bought, which I could have went with Nitto's, but I chose to get another tire, which is the BFGoodrich's. So I'll explain all that later on, but right now, let's hit the road and get everything put together. But they should be finished today, so let's get it. All right, I'm back a couple hours later, but y'all can see what I got going on back here. I'm gonna give y'all the whole rundown on the price. I'm pretty much like $2,500. New wheels, new tires, new tire sensors, mount, balance, all that stuff is a good almost $2,500. I'm gonna give y'all the correct pricing whenever I get to the crib, whenever I get everything put on the car. But I'm heading home now. I'm gonna put it on the car. I still got a little daylight outside, and I'm gonna put them in the car and let y'all see what I got going on. I'm gonna have another video. Probably the next video will be a walk around of the car for real. But right now I'm just gonna get them balanced or put them on the car, get them put on the car, and go from there. So yeah, I'm excited, bro. I'm crazy excited. I haven't had 20s. Even my Scat, even when I bought my Scat, I let them keep my 20-inch wheels, and I rode off the lot with 22. So I don't even know what it's like to have 20s again. Y'all let me know. Like, I don't know if I should lower the car or not, but I'm gonna need y'all to let me know what I need to do and how I need to do it. I'm not gonna do bags, so don't even tell me to do bags or airlift, whatever y'all want to call it. I'm not doing that. Might do like some IBOC or whatever they're called, springs, lowering springs. Let me know what's the best lowering springs for the car. If I need them, I don't know if I might. I don't think I might need them. We'll find out though. But let's go to the crib and see what it's like on the car.
Few moments later.
And the new tires are on. New wheels and tires. BFGoodrich's G-Force Comp 2AS. They look really good, bro. 305s. Got a good little poke to them. It's no rub that what I see or what I can see. The big thing I like about these wheels, bro, you can see my rotor. My rotors and my brakes. You know what I'm saying? That tail's gonna pop like crazy now on the road and in pictures. But these right here, this is really gonna what set it off. Those are the hash marks that go in the center. When I put those on, you'll see what I'm talking about, but that's gonna set the whole wheel off, bro, I'm telling you. I don't know if I like the spike lugs on these wheels. I need y'all to let me know. I actually ordered black lugs, the factory Dodge lugs for these. So I have both. But let me know down in the comments, bro, if y'all like the spike lugs. You really can't tell that they're on the car. If y'all like the spike lugs on the car or not. But these 275, 40, 20 in the front, and 305, 35, 20 in the rear. Looks insane, bro. I like this, but I'm gonna go ahead and install these real quick and catch back up with y'all. Give me 1 second. I'm telling you, it's the hash marks that make it look crazy. Like, look at that one compared to this one. It just looks so plain. But then you get to this hash mark right here. Crazy. Let me walk over to the other side. Here it is, you guys, the final product. This absolutely looks amazing, bro. If y'all want to know the price, I might make a price video, because think about it, I had to buy everything. I had to buy new wheels, 4 wheels, I had to buy 4 tires, I had to buy 4 tire pressure sensors or whatever those are called. So I mean, if y'all want me to make a video on how much this whole kit costs out the door, I can make that for y'all. Let me know down in the comments below. But these are the new Hellcat wheels, my guys. I had the Hellcat wheels before, which was the ones with a whole lot of spokes. It was cool and all, but I guess it was time for something different. And I'm loving the way it rides on 20s, bro. I've been riding on 22s for like 3.5, 4 years, bro. And I just can't get enough. The car's dirty, don't mind it. It's been sitting. Everybody know, well, if you don't know yet, the lights are messed up right now. They're going to the shop on Monday, I think it is. So stay tuned for that video. It's about to be crazy. LED Designs is about to go stupid. But right now, these right here is crazy, bro. It's no rubbing at all. It's 275, 40, 20s in the front, and 305, 35, 20 in the rear. If I can find it. Yeah. 305, 35, 20 in the back. And 275, 40, 20 in the front. And it rides amazing. Y'all let me know if I should keep the spike lugs on there. I don't know. I don't know how I feel. But you kind of can't see them because of the concave, which that is one thing that I love about these wheels. The concave is a fool. And I can see my brake calipers so much better. So I need to go ahead and put the Brembo stickers on my brake calipers because now you can see them. That's definitely gonna set it off for sure. But right now, this is the finished product. This right here is the finished product. I know I was a big guy for the 22-inch wheels. I was really cool with the 22-inch wheels. But the 20s go crazy. The 20s go crazy, bro. The 20s go crazy. I'm already letting y'all know now. I love these wheels already, bro. 10.5 in the rear, 9.5 in the front, 275, 305. Perfect setup. Rides amazing. But thank you for subscribing already, because I know y'all about to hit that subscribe button. Crazy two-tone wrap, bro. Crazy two-tone. But hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about the car. Go back to my previous videos and let me know what y'all think about the before and after. But I think this is cool though. I like this. I think I feel it. I think I like it a lot. I like it a lot.